Morning. It's early in the morning in late February, and in Vancouver, this is the best time to create a new bed. Now, last summer, for like the previous 40 years, this was completely covered in cedar boughs. You can see the cedar trunks at the back here all have branches cut off. That's never been a bed before. And so today we're going to start turning it into a bed. And I'll keep filming over the next few weeks and you'll see the progress of how this bed develops. But firsthand, I got the guys who live here to wheelbarrow in some compost from our compost box. It also received like all the leaves from the street last fall. So it has a lot of leaves, and today we're going to take 6 bags of black earth and just sprinkle it on like a top dressing on top of the leaves to make it look neat and tidy. So once that's done, then I can begin planting. There's already some plants in there from the fall, so we have had a basic start to it, but it's going to change a lot, especially in the next month. So we'll document that. Okay, let's start talking.
¿Quién pudiera tener la dicha que tiene el gallo? Racatapun chin chin, el gallo sube y echa su polvorete. Racatapun chin chin, él se sacude. ¿Quién pudiera tener la dicha que tiene el gallo? Racatapun chin chin, el gallo sube.
Okay, you can see what 6 bags does. That's about $20, so well worth it. The benefits of that will last at least a year. So yeah, I'll probably end up getting 4 more bags to finish the look of this, but you get the idea. Okay, until next video. It's early Saturday morning at the Arts Factory. I'm here early so that the other 22 artists are not here and I'm not disturbing them filming. Yeah, this is an artist collective partially run by the city, so thank you, City of Vancouver, for making this possible. It's a great place. I'm going to show you a couple things today, including my new Lavalier microphone. Lavalier means necklace of some sort in French, I think. So, a couple projects we're going to work on today. There's this California redwood mask that I'm going to bring over across the hall to a small company that makes props called IRL. IRL is kindly giving me use of their space this morning to work on this, so we'll set up in there and try that. But for now, I'm going to work on this, which is going to be a lamp. It will be attached here on this Edison-style bulb inside this ceramic magnolia fruit. Here's the actual magnolia fruit that I harvested last year after the magnolia bloom. It produces this Magnolia grandiflora, which means huge flower. Grandifloras smell so great, and the flowers are like this big, and they produce this fruit afterwards, which I thought would make a cool lamp. Because, you know, why not? The problem is that the glaze, which I love, blocked all these tiny little holes that I had made in the stem. So I decided to drill it out using a Dremel. Tried all my bits, they didn't work. So I bought some diamond encrusted bits that are hollow. You can see the hole in the center. Specific for ceramic. Unfortunately, I burnt out 4 of them in the first couple holes because I neglected to use water. you got to lubricate these things or they burn out super fast, as I learned. So here I have my Dremel with a brand new bit, and we're going to demonstrate exactly what I'm talking about. Pretty good. That was about 10 seconds. I got another 100, 150 to go, but I'm very optimistic this is going to work out, and I'll include a picture of it illuminated in this video. Okay, let's head across the hall to IRL. Okay, welcome to the woodworking department of IRL. I wish I could show you around this place. There's some very cool props for film and television here. But I've been told, don't film those, so I understand. But I'm very lucky to get access to this space to work on this messy job. And I'm going to start in a second, and it'll be noisy and tedious, so I'll speed it up and put it to music, so it's more fun to watch. I'm using a large Dremel, so here's an example of a small Dremel. You can see Dremel written there. And here's the large Dremel. It's supposed to be hung from a hanger, but there is none here. So I'm just setting it on the table. It also has a foot pedal, which I will put down on the floor now. And it has a burr. I think this is also diamond encrusted or nickel plated or something, but imagine putting that in your mouth at the dentist. Oh no, don't do that. But it's a great woodworking tool. It's got good dexterity. Okay, so let's give it a crank. Okay, I think that might work. Here we go. Oh, dust mask. Don't forget your dust mask. Cedar, this is California redwood, which is part of the cedar family, but it's poisonous, so don't inhale the sawdust of cedar.
From my window, at the moon in its flight, my thoughts all stray to you. In the still of the night, while the world is in slumber.
I think this is going to be a very slow job.